It is another sunny day in Sydney. I have been so busy with work this week. If those of you who don't know, I'm a freelance writer, so with the freelance life things get a little bit hectic sometimes and then they get quiet. So I've been so busy this week and I finally got a few hours this afternoon spare, and I thought I would make the most of it and go and do a little bit of sketching outside in my local area. I always find it interesting sketching in places that I walk around all the time, because when you're looking for a scene, it almost makes you see it with fresh eyes. So it's definitely something I like to do, not just when I'm on holiday, but also just in my local area as well. I think it's a really fun way to spend a few hours. So I just need to pack up my sketching things and then we will get outside. Also, please ignore my hair because I haven't had it cut since the beginning of COVID and it's just become a mess and I need to get it sorted, but I just thought I'd mention that. Bye! So I've forgotten my pencil and I've also forgotten my clips, so let's see how this goes. So I found this spot, just like the big building poking out of the trees. feel a bit strange talking on a camera in the park with this weird microphone. Thanks for watching. I feel very relaxed now sitting here in this park, and yeah, hopefully that was helpful in some way, and I'll see you in the next one.